everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Yes. So today we are going to do rhyme. Yes, rhyme on birds. So are you all ready? Show me your thumbs up. Superb. So let's get started. So we have crow. Yes. Can you hear the black crow? The black crow. Can you hear the black crow? The black crow. Cow, cow, says the black crow. The black crow. Cow, cow, says the black crow. The black crow. Can you hear the black crow? The black crow sitting on the tree. Can you hear the flocks of pigeons? Can you see the flocks of pigeon? Gray or white, the colors of the pigeons. Can you see the flocks of pigeon? Can you see the flocks of pigeon eating grains and seeds? Can you spot the owl on the tree? Can you spot the owl on the tree? Hoot, hoot, says the owl. Hoot, hoot, says the owl on the tree. On the tree. Yes, thank you very much.